One chip, billions of fans. But how does a simple potato transform into the world's most addictive snack?
Today, we go deeper than ever inside the Lay's factory of Fleury's, revealing secrets very few cameras have captured.
From muddy soil to a crispy golden chip. This is the real journey of Lay's. Our journey begins where every chip takes birth, in fields glowing under the morning sun.
The soil must be perfect, not too wet, not too dry, or the chips won't crisp the way you love.
Modern machines prepare acres of land for potato planting. Seed planters place each potato precisely. Technology replacing guesswork.
Controlled irrigation ensures every potato grows uniform ound. The secret behind identical crispy chips.
Weeks pass, roots spread. Nature builds its magic.
Finally, harvest begins. The potatoes must be firm, fresh, and flawless.
Only the best potatoes make it to the next step. Thousands of kilos move from field to factory in a single shift.
And now, the real transformation begins.
Welcome to one of the most advanced snack factories in the world. Every batch is handled without human touch to avoid contamination. Potatoes take their first bath, a high-pressure wash removing all dirt. AI-powered robots remove every damaged potato instantly. Scrubbers polish each potato until it shines.
But they're not ready yet.
Human eyes still do what machines cannot. Perfection checking. Only medium-sized potatoes are ideal for Lay's. Next comes the transformation stage.
Industrial peelers remove skin in seconds, keeping the flesh untouched.
Smooth, white, ready for slicing. This is where magic starts. Thin enough to crisp, thick enough to hold flavor.
Cold water removes extra starch, ensuring perfect crunch. Drying prepares them for the heat of transformation.
And now, the heart of the process.
Hot oil turns soft potato slices into golden chips.
This is the birth of a Lay's chip.
Oil drains carefully, see? Too much oil ruins the flavor.
Air tunnels cool and make the chips light. Now comes the flavor everyone loves.
From masala to cheese, MG, every flavor mixed with precise ratios.
To subscribe my channel, Inside World Factory.
Quality control ensures consistency in every bite.
And now, the race to pack freshness begins. Packaging starts with forming the iconic Lay's pouch. Each bag is weighed automatically for accuracy. Heat seals trap freshness inside. Millions of bags roll out every day. Robots handle shipping with zero damage.
Each carton is scanned and logged.
Forklifts move tons of chips across the warehouse.
This warehouse holds enough chips to feed entire cities.
From here, Lay's travels worldwide.
Freshness is sealed and delivered.
A new journey begins Awkwide. Watch Inside World videos.
The final stop, your hands.
The sound of the first tier, addictive.
The perfect curve. The perfect flavor.
The perfect crunch.
All made possible by a process precise down to the last second. A global snack, created with the efficiency of modern engineering. From mud to magic, please subscribe my channel.
This is the true story of every Lay's chip you taste.